He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be doing some rotisserie chicken wings out here on the Weber using the rotisserie. I think I said that. Oh shit! Cut. Cut. Stop it.
It's still going.
Stop it. Alright, so we finished with our rotisserie chicken. Been on there for about an hour and a half or so. They look real good. Got a nice color to them, nice smell. Well, like I said, we used the ghost pepper rub from Revrnrays, and the sauce that we used was Big Mohr Caisson's barbecue sauce, and it was thinned out a little bit with some orange juice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a taste and see what we got here. These are still hot, right off the rotisserie. Ooh. I can already taste the pepper. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, these are real good. Smoky. Nice. Little hit from the ghost pepper, but it's balanced out real well with the sweetness of the barbecue sauce and the orange juice. It tastes real good. Let me go ahead and get another one here. Now the skin is not crispy, but the wings are very, very juicy. And like I said, that ghost pepper is great. I had no complaints about this one. I only cooked about 6-7 wings because it's just me eating. So that, all in all, that turned out pretty good. So hey, if you got any questions about doing rotisserie chicken, hit me up and let me know. Alright, so if you're interested in getting some of Revrnrays rubs, I'll put the contact information down in the description block. And you can buy Mohr Caisson's barbecue sauce almost anywhere on the internet. We bought it when I was down in St. Louis when we met him down during the St. Louis barbecue event. Okay. Also, if you're interested in getting a slow and sear from the Adrenaline Barbecue Company, I'll go ahead and put the contact information down there in the description block. It is a great accessory if you have a Weber. It definitely makes long cooks a lot easier. Okay. Well, that's all we have time for today. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. And like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.